This is a surgical video of a repair of a full-thickness macular hole. The initial stages of this surgery have already been performed, and this video is abbreviated to focus on the techniques used for macular hole closure. Under a high magnification lens, a fine forceps is used to grasp the superficial internal limiting membrane. This membrane, which was stained earlier with a green dye, is about 2.5 micrometers or 2.5 of a millimeter in thickness. The membrane is then gently peeled away from the retina. Care is taken to peel the membrane without injuring the underlying tissue. The membrane is carefully peeled all the way around the macular hole. Once a sufficient amount of the membrane has been peeled away from the retina, the fluid in the eye is then removed and exchanged with gas. The gas bubble is later utilized to help reposition the retina back into its original orientation and thus closing the hole.